So you first of all place a transparent container on a table, then use a bowl to pour water inside it, just like I'm doing. When you are done pouring the water, you then bring a paper. You can just use only your phone or any other thing just to make it look different, So you place a paper on top of the container together with your phone, and then use your index finger like you want to pour water. You know how you press something, okay? So you press it for some seconds, then remove the phone and the paper, then head over to your CapCut and let's do the tutorial. So from here we'll be needing a little empty space, like just a little space with the glass of water, with the empty glass. So you're going to place your line there and then click on freeze. You drag it small, maybe to like 10 seconds or 8 seconds, anyone, because we'll be needing it. Then from where you pour the water, some part of it is not necessary, so you have to split and delete. I just need where the water started entering into the container. All right, so this is where the water started entering into the container. Then from where the water stopped, I don't need those places. I'll just do some adjustments, split and delete. From where I finished pouring the water, I will split. Then immediately I want to place my paper, I will also split and delete that side. That side is not necessary, okay? So you split and delete. Then from where I pressed the phone and the paper to that place that I removed my finger, I will also go there and split. Then look for overlay to overlay that video. Then when I overlay it, I'll drag it to the beginning of the video. All right, drag it to the beginning of the video. That's where I placed the paper and my phone and then pressed my finger to my phone. All right, so I will overlay it. Then look for mask, click on horizontal, then drag it down a little bit. And also that double line, you can also just adjust it very little, just very little. All right, so this is how it is. Then that empty space that I freeze, I'm going to delete some parts because it's too long. All right, so I will just split and delete so that it will start from where the water started entering inside. After I have pressed my phone and my paper, immediately I want to press my finger. It should start from where the water started entering inside the container, as you can see. Then here I will drag it to get to the other end. You just drag it a little, just a little, so that it will get to the other end, okay? So that it will get to that line. Don't let it pass that line because it will spoil your video. So this is how it's going to be, just like this. And then my water is ready. It's just very simple. So let's play it and see what we've got. So this is what we have. You don't need to be a pro before you edit this kind of video. It's just very simple, okay? So if you need sound, you can go back to audio. You can see audio there. Click on sound FX. Make sure your internet connection is on. Then you search for pouring water. You can see it there. You just type pouring water and it will bring it out. You then choose any one that you want. You play the sound and choose the one that you want. So let's choose this one, okay? This is what we have. You drag it to where the water started entering. That's the sound of pouring water. You drag it to where the water started entering. So if the sound is not enough, because it has to get to the end where you stopped pouring the water, you might have to duplicate it or look for another sound that is long enough, okay? So I had to duplicate my own so that it will get to the end where I stopped pouring the water. And once you are done, you save your video. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel.